Welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria Lomardel. In today's video, we will proceed to our second experiment about how to test if your honey, if it is pure or not pure honey. Well, here, as I have told you, this is a continuation of our previous video, guys, because it was off. So this bottle has a mark of bio. It means pure honey. So, to tell us if it is really pure, because there were some packaging, as what I have told you, that it says pure, but I do not know if it's really pure, but it contains a little bit of the sugar. So, we don't know about it. So, for me, since I am curious if it is really a bio or really pure honey in here, I would like to show you or share with you guys my little experiment on how I test it, if it is pure honey or not. So as I've told you before, I have this kind of experiment, and today we will proceed to my second experiment on how to test our honey if it is pure or not. So this is what you call a water test. So I have a 2 bottle here containing water. This is a water test on how to test our honey if it is pure or not. So one glass containing a pure honey or the bio honey that I took out from this here, from the can, from the plastic. This is not really a plastic, it's a kind of paper plastic receptacle. So I put a honey, and it's been here for like 10 minutes now or 15, but as you could see, guys, I stir it out, still intact. So it forms a lump inside or in the glass, still intact, guys. It does not dissolve. So what do you think? Well, based on reading, I was able to read some you call it in Google. If you try to search it in Google, guys, you will know if it is pure, there's a chance that it will not dissolve in the water. So even though I stir it, guys, it's still intact and it forms some lumps on the bottom. It was not dissolved. The same way as I put it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, still not dissolved. But the honey I added with sugar, brown sugar, that's the one being dissolved, and it looks like watery. Now, let's have a look with 1 glass added with brown sugar. Obviously, most of us know that the sugar will melt in the water. And how about if we will add some honey? So as I've told you, the pure honey in the water does not mix right away with the water. Even if you stir it, guys, it forms some lumps in the water. So still intact, still there is a honey. Does not dissolve even if it's been here for several minutes now. It does not dissolve like the sugar. How about if we add the honey into the glass with sugar and we will mix all together? What will happen? So this is kind of surprise. I don't even know. As we know, based on research before, I was able to read that the sugar, if you try, of course, most of us knows that the sugar will melt in the water. But of course, sugar needs also some heatings. It really melts with a warm water. But this one is a mixture of pure honey and brown sugar. So we will see what will happen, guys. Can't you see, guys? The honey is still intact, guys. Does not dissolve. And what about the brown sugar? Of course, you cannot see much particles or crystals of the sugar in the water now. Obviously, it was dissolved. So, what can't you say? Are you still convinced? Are you convinced that this is a pure honey? And that's the packaging speaks really that it is really bio or pure. Well, for me, guys, I really do. I believe that this honey is really pure, based on experiment and based on experience. Because nearly every day we have this kind of product at home because we love it to mix it with a natural yogurt. So now I know that's how the pure honey behave. Well, for your informations, based on Google research, I was able to read it that there is what you call the raw honey, the pure honey, and one is, how will you call it? There is one, guys, it's like process. And the difference between the two, the pure honey and the, you call it natural honey. Raw honey and pure honey, and there is one. The raw honey is really coming from the honeycomb, you call it, from the house of the bee. And the pure honey is already pasteurized. It means it undergo a heating, of course, below 100 degree. No, there's a kind of process, guys, that will remove the, you call it, bacteria, or if there's a presence of bacteria in there. It's like kind of preparation for the product to kill some unwanted or the unwanted bacteria in the products. But some of the other one was being added with some ingredient, but the pure honey is just pasteurized, but it is pure and not added with anything or any sugar. So I'm not expert about it because I'm not doing or making some honey product. But if you want to know, guys, do your own research. You could learn and read more, some helpful informations related about honey. And if you're curious enough, just learn about it. You could research it in Google if you want. But here, I'm just showing you the result if you put it in the refrigerator, the difference between the two. And of course, if you do some water testing, what happened with the honey. So as what I have told you as a recap, the pure honey does not dissolve in the water. It still creates some lumps in it. But of course, the brown sugar obviously melt right away compared to the pure honey. And pure honey does not even crystallize or even have ice formation even if you put it in the refrigerator for a long time. So this one, it's been 2 weeks in the refrigerator in the ice, but still no formation of ice and not even icy. And the other one mixed with the water, the honey and the brown sugar, this is the result. It's watery now, and you cannot see much of the honey now. So that's it, guys, and this is my own testing on how to test if it is pure honey or not. But if you want to do more, there is another one test using a vinegar. So I will leave that to you guys, and I'm just showing you the result of my own experiment. And I am convinced that this honey I bought is really bio or a pure honey. So that's it, guys. And if you want to know, there is also some information here that says AB. We will find out what's this thing about. And again, disclaimer, whatever product or brand you have seen here, this video is not connected. And what's written here is the AB. As far as I know, this will tell if the product is really good or not. It's not really clear, guys. It says cannot see clearly. Just see? Not really clear, guys. Biologically. Very tiny. So I think that's the kind of mark that it's really bio, guys. Telling us that this product is really bio. And it is maybe come from what country? That's maybe the sign. Really in Europe. Well, I don't know much about it, guys. So if you want to know, learn it more. But I'm just showing you once again my water test result and my refrigerator test result of the honey. So that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. And if you want to know more, do your own research. And if you have some questions, try to drop some comments down below, but make sure to do the right comment. Otherwise, your messages will go to the spam folder and I cannot see your messages. So guys, once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and happy eating miel or honey. Well, that's it for today and bye for now, and I'll catch you soon and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Shout out Anne-Marie Alagao, Chariki Vlogs TV, Midnight Star 02 TV, Shy Heart Explorer, Lolito Vlog TV, Hannah Lagod, Daijin Channel, Elim from Virgo, Mind to Unwind, Kane Forever, Kumaring Seal, Lejo Heart 29, Biyahirong Waray Vlog, Duna and Daisy, Mappy Rose, Bubski Matat Z, Alnay TV, my VIP Mega, Tiday's Journey, Pinay Rockhill USA, Baliko di Filjop, Alan Cabato, Mardik's Journey, and of course, special thanks to Iris PH, Karil Siloterio, Alvin Sanchez, and of course, GMT Hero, Richie Vlogs, and to all my super chatters and viewers, thank you all so much. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye for now.